Hi Frequent Flower subscribers, this month you are going to get some beautiful stock. Now, stock does not sound like an exciting word for a flower, but I promise you it is one of our favorites here in the shop. It is so beautiful and it smells delicious. A lot of the flowers that we have into the shop regularly and that are sold across the world no longer have a scent. They want to breed them so they are longer lasting, and usually one of the first characteristics to go is the scent. Now, stock still has an amazing scent. It's sort of a spicy clove scent, and they're actually in the turnip family. So sometimes they'll come with really thick, rooted bottoms that look like you've just pulled up some turnips. So you will be getting some fresh stock. We'll have assorted colors, so you'll just have to wait and see what colors you receive. You are also going to get some Israeli Ruscus. So this is a long-lasting greenery. It's also a linear, very much like your stock. So it's gonna fill in between your blooms really nicely, give you a nice full bouquet. The greenery really complements any sort of bouquet and just gives it a good texture and a very fresh feel. So you'll have your Israeli Ruscus this month and you'll have your stock. We've got lots of video tutorials on our YouTube page to show you how to do a spiral hand tied or give you some different ideas on how you can arrange these flowers. We hope you enjoy your blooms this month and we'll see you next time.